Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, that way you don't miss any of my videos, and I will also be linking my social medias down below in the description box. In this video, I will show you guys the process of my dream room makeover. So I've been wanting to remodel my room for years now, so I decided to save up some money, and I'm proud to say that I was able to purchase everything for my room on my own, and I'm really happy with the outcome. I will be adding where I purchased most of these things that I bought for my room down in the description box. That way if you guys want to purchase any of them, you guys know where to get them, and I'll also be linking the prices. So I decided to record the process of me remodeling my room, but I also decided to vlog, for example, when I'm going to purchase stuff or when I can't find stuff and all that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so right now I'm cutting these drawer liners to put on top of my vanity so I don't get them dirty. And when I already did these ones here, this is how it looks. Look, I saw this one is the one that I bought, and I also bought this, and I realized that it matches, so I was like, yes. And I just bought this at Dollar Tree. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour this in here, and then that way put my brushes in there so we can stay. So I was looking for this mirror for the longest time, and I finally found it at Burlington. This one's 80, and I tried to look at Rose, but they didn't have any, and I looked at the paper thing, but they didn't have any either. So I'm so happy I finally found it. Alright guys, so these are the light bulbs that I ended up getting from my vanity, and I did get them on Amazon. They were 12 for $35, I believe. I did get them on Amazon because I couldn't find them anywhere else for cheaper. In Costco, in Home Depot and Walmart, they were like $13 or $11 for only like 2 or 3, and I need 15 for my vanity, and this one only has 12, so I'm gonna have to buy the other ones individually, but this is what I have for now. So we're trying to find the little knob for the top of the vanity, like the 3 cabinets, but I think I'm also gonna get that at on Amazon because they don't have like the ones that I want. I kind of want to get that. Oh, we actually have some. And then these are the pillows that I also got from Amazon. I had to buy these separately because I don't know, they didn't come with it. So So I also bought this light, and then I got this on Amazon too for $25. Alright guys, so this is my final completed room, and I'm just gonna show you guys like what I got. So my bed and my cabinets, I got them at a local furniture store, and then this curtain was gifted to me from my mother-in-law, and also this little tree, which is really cute, lights up and everything. And then what I love about my bed is this, so you could turn off and turn on the lights, and it just looks really cool. And then, so these things right here, I got them in Burlington. I think they were about like $15. And then this white bed sheet, I already had it. I got it at Walmart. It was around $40. And then for these gray pillows, it didn't come with it, but I went ahead and purchased them on Amazon. And so I had to purchase the covers and the pillows separately, and so it was like $30 for those. And this is by far my favorite part of my room, my vanity. And I purchased my vanity from one of my friend's mom, which she actually used to be my neighbor, and that's how I got it. So her friend actually makes them in Mexico, and she sells them over here, so that's how I got my vanity. And then you could customize it. So she asked me if I wanted, how many drawers I wanted, and then the color and everything, and I decided to do white because I've always wanted a white vanity, although it didn't come with the light bulbs, which I had to buy. So I purchased the light bulbs in Amazon. There were 12 of them for $30. And then over here, I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit about my vanity. So here I have this little bear that my boyfriend gave me, and then this is a picture of us. I got this frame in Burlington, and then I also got this thing to place my brushes, which I also got at Burlington, and I love that it matches the frame. And this one right here, I already had it. I had gotten this one in DD's. And then for this part, I decided to add like a marble cover thing. I think they're called table covers, I'm not too sure, I forgot. But anyways, I decided to add that way it doesn't get dirty, because you already know why it gets really dirty. So I just placed all of my palettes here, and this is how the back looks with that, which is a really good idea because I wouldn't want to buy a vanity and then get it dirty. And then I'll show you guys. So I'm just going to show you guys this part for now, and then right here I just have my favorite perfume. If you guys are looking for a perfume, this is the one. And then I just put my quinceañera crown here for decoration. This is just my makeup remover. So this is how vanity looks, and I love it. And then over here we have this chair, which I purchased in Burlington, and I got this one for $60. And then for the walls, I had this like creamy kind of like peach color for the walls before, but I decided to paint it gray, and then I painted the top white. Over here I just had this little canvas of makeup brushes, and I purchased this in TJ Maxx. I don't know if you could see, but it has like little sparkles. And then on this side of my room I have this long mirror, and then I also have this thing to place on my bags. I think I'm actually gonna take some off because it just looks like it's too much. But basically that's this side of my room, and then I basically don't have anything else from here. I did buy this little trash can at Walmart for like $5, and then the mirror was, I think, I'm not too sure, I forgot, but I'll have it linked below in the description box. I think it was around 80 or 60, I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure I put it in the vlog, so you guys will see. So this is how it looks. To see my long mirror. So I've always wanted a long mirror because I didn't have one, because I would never be able to know how my outfits would look with everything, so I finally got one. And this is a tile that I decided to purchase for my room. I've always wanted marble for my room, so I'm so glad I was able to get it, and I purchased it in Home Depot. I'm not too sure how much it was. I think it was $2 for each square feet, I think, but I'll go ahead and try to find it on their website and then link it for you, just in case you guys decide to buy it. I used to have carpet floor, so it was really dirty, and I just wanted to get rid of it. So I'm finally glad that my room looks clean, because when I had the carpet it looked really dirty. So this is basically it for my room. I honestly fell in love with the outcome, and I look back at the old pictures that I had for my room, and it's like a really big difference. So I'm glad I decided to do this room tour. After a long time I was able to do it, and yeah, just remember that I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box, just in case you guys were wondering where I purchased stuff or if I didn't mention anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed.